In this lesson, we'll learn about VBA statements. There are three different categories of VBA statements. They are comment statements, declaration statements, and execution statements. Comment statements are VBA statements that do not have any outcome on what your sub or function produces. When you have a comment statement and VBA iterates over that line, it does not get executed. The purpose of a comment statement is for you or whoever reads the code to help understand what the particular section or sub function does. Comment statements are only meant to document what exists within your module. Creating comments has only one purpose: to help the readability of your code. Declaration statements are generally found at the beginning of a sub. You can think of declaration statements as the foundation building blocks of your sub. They are composed of variables, constants, procedures, or data types, all of which are declared. Declaring simply means defining what you wish these tools to be identified as, so that VBA can understand how to treat these objects when you start executing your code. We generally place all of the declaration statements at the beginning, as it makes the code much more readable. When you know at the beginning of the sub just states and defines variables, constants, etc., it takes the same shape within the code, so you can mentally skip over reading these, as there isn't anything you will learn about what the sub is actually doing. You can think of it as a dictionary for the sub, where you can find all the definitions of the story that you're reading below, but you don't need to read it right at the beginning. Have it as a reference when you need it, but there's no learning actions that will occur within this segment. Execution statements are the third category of statements in VBA. They are what comprises the meat of your code, as execution statements do the actual work. Think of execution statements as the ones that contain events, methods, and property changes that are what manipulate the actual objects within Excel. As long as you're creating your modules for a reason, that is, you're looking to accomplish actions with your code, then you'll be creating execution statements in some way, shape, or form. Needless to say, you can think of execution statements as statements that are not comment or declaration statements. Hey guys, thanks for watching this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe from you. And if you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel, check out these videos above. And don't forget to check out our website, commercecurve.com, where we have lots of in-depth finance and accounting courses available with full training workbooks. All of our courses come with complete workbooks of lessons, examples, pre-built financial models, and training video. Hope to see you there.